Okay, for this project, we're going to make a hand-built sphere. You just need 2 foam balls, nice and squishy. Get them at the dollar store. Serrated rib, some slip, and a slab. However you like to make your slab. I just rolled it out the old-fashioned way. About 1/4 inch. Then you're just going to cut it in half. That's one. This one, the seam is on this side. So now you got your clay around the ball, and you're just going to work with it. As you work it around, you can actually squeeze the ball and see where the seam is, and just check yourself. So once you have it where you like it, you even out the low spots and the high spots. You have to let it dry. Now, of course, it wants to roll back onto the clay side because that's the heavy side. So I just prop it up in my box, usually in the corners, and then I'll put paper towels and stuff in here. Or I can even put the slip in here. Now, once they've dried, I recommend drying them on a day so they can hold up their own weight. They're easier to work with. You don't have to worry about distorting the shape every time you touch it. All you have to do is squeeze the balls like that, and they'll pop out. Usually a dish to hold on to it. Squeeze the ball, and they should come right out. Now, see how it's distorting? It's because it's just not dry enough, but we're going with it. So, just try and line yourself up. I'm going to make a very thin coil, probably. Let's figure this out. See which way it goes on best. Try a couple different ways. It's never going to fit perfect, but you get it the best you can. And then what I like to do, once I get it close, find a position I like it, just make a little line, take it off, Get my serrated rib. Score both sides. I prefer to use my finger. Put the slip on. Now you line up. You find where you've got your mark. Just press one way and then the other way. And if you have any gaps, you can use the little coils. Then you can use your little ribs. Keep smoothing the seam out. And you have the sphere. I hope this helps you, and I hope you make some cool things with it. So what can you do with this technique? Well, I came up with this technique because I wanted to make round teapots, and I don't use the wheel. So I came up with this so that I could make little personal teapots that were perfectly round. This is my Q*bert design after the video game. You could also make luminaries. I just cut a hole in the bottom, put a little tea light or a candle,